time with my friends and family, eating a bunch of Christmas cookies, and obviously the presents. I think the show is going to be super fun, and I think people are going to love it, and I think it's going to be an amazing story, so I think people should definitely come watch it. Most of the time I go on my phone and I use this warm-up app, and I always warm up my voice before I go on stage, and then I drink lots of water, lots of tea, and I kind of just try and hang out and not talk as much because I'm scared that my voice is going to be gone when I go on stage. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer. Why do I not know this? Rudolph. How many are there? I don't know. I literally don't know all of them. That's really sad. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer,